What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here from Crypto News, bringing you the best crypto content on a daily basis. Now today we're going to be talking about the crypto metaverse. The crypto metaverse is going to push the value of NFTs to new all-time highs, and we will soon be able to experience NFTs in virtual reality at a scale we've never seen before. I mean, just imagine being able to visit in virtual reality museums and art galleries that are displaying the most rare NFTs in the entire world. Well, in today's video, I think I found a great project that is working tirelessly to bring the metaverse into a truly immersive experience. So sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, because this is one video you're not going to want to miss. And before I forget, I am giving away a Ledger hardware wallet. So if you want a chance to win a free Ledger wallet, then leave me a comment below. It can be anything about the video or cryptocurrency in general, and you'll now have a chance to win a Ledger hardware wallet. And if you love crypto just as much as I do, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way, as I release my daily crypto content videos, you'll get notified. Now remember folks, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research anytime you're investing in any sort of digital asset. I am simply making this video for educational purposes only. So the crypto project I'm extremely excited about is Wilder World. So Wilder World is the Wild token, and it's basically pioneering the metaverse, and I think they're bringing some of the best aesthetic designers to the cryptocurrency space, and I actually think they're even working on this project. Either that or they have a really good job description, because they are literally designing something that I think is one of the most beautiful spaces for NFTs that I've seen in any metaverse environment. So they're really working hard to bring the metaverse to everyone in virtual space. So pretty soon you'll be able to access this world in 3D space using a virtual headset. Now before I get into the project in more detail, I did want to show you a 1-minute trailer provided by Wilder World. Now if this trailer doesn't get you excited about the project, I don't know what will. So here it is now. So what'd you think? I remember when I first saw that trailer, I had goosebumps on my arms because I was so excited. I could not wait to get involved with this project. I can't wait to put on a headset and be in this fully immersive metaverse that they've created. And I think that's super important, because if you're going to bring people into your metaverse, you want it to look aesthetically pleasing. You don't want it to be a little dingy looking. So I really like how they tackled the aesthetics, and they're also tackling, in my opinion, the marketing very well, because what they're doing is they're partnering with some of the biggest names in the crypto industry. I know they recently partnered with the Pomp podcast, and if you don't know who Pomp is, he has one of the largest crypto followings on YouTube, and his podcast is huge. So I think strategic distribution channels such as the Pomp podcast are extremely beneficial, and they've also onboarded a ton of VC capital. So they're well funded, they have great distribution. So I think the future of the Wilder project is looking really bright. So I will be following that more closely to see when exactly they're going to release the 3D space immersive experience. So right now what they do have available for you to check out is their ground zero NFTs, which are basically their Genesis version of NFTs. So I think these are going to garnish a ton of value in the future once 3D is released and people are actually exploring the Wilder worlds. And I think they did a really good job at tackling the NFT kicks. I mean, these things are beautiful looking, and you can see what they're valued at right here. So right now Wilder World is based on Ethereum. So I'm hoping pretty soon they also expand to other blockchains. So if you want to check out some of their brilliant NFTs, I really recommend you check out that. Now for all you car lovers, they have some really sweet NFTs also, so check out their NFTs for the cars. I think they're beautifully designed, and for them to be ground zero, who knows how high these things can go once people begin using Wilder World in an immersive way. Now what really gets me excited about Wilder World is that I think their market cap is still very low when compared to the broader NFT marketplace, because the NFT marketplace is already $1 billion industry, and who knows how big of a piece of pie Wilder World can carve out for themselves with, I think, some of the best NFT looking environments that I've seen so far in the crypto metaverse. And at the time of making this video, their market cap is still under $1 billion, and they also don't have a lot of tokens in circulation, in my opinion. So I really like that, because it does put more buying pressure on the price when bull runs start to kick in for this project. And at the time of making this video, they're still not on any major crypto exchange apart from Qcoin, and so the potential for this thing to go exponential, in my opinion, is huge, because as they continue to develop this, you just have so many more exchanges that will access so much more liquidity for this token that I think has a lot of potential for the price to move in some dramatic fashions as they continually get listed on new exchanges when they continue to build out their crypto metaverse. So I'm really bullish on this token specifically, because they seem to have everything working out. They have the aesthetics, they have the distribution, they have really good marketing. I mean, they have some beautiful NFTs are ready to purchase, and they're still undervalued in the market, in my opinion. So there's a lot of positive upswing for this project, which is why I'm covering it today in this video. Now, what I really like about Wilder World as well is they release a ton of updates on their Twitter page. I mean, they just keep you in the know at all times. So even if you just watch one of the most recent trailers, you can just see how beautifully designed their NFTs are going to be and what the world's going to look like once their crypto metaverse is finally released for the public to begin accessing. There's a quick little trailer. I think that's pretty neat. I mean, the vehicles look like they're a mix between Fast and the Furious and Ready Player One. So I love both of those movies, actually. So that's a beautiful combo, in my opinion. It's leaning a little bit more towards Ready Player One. So I think, so who knows, what if they actually pull it off and make a world, make a metaverse that is exactly like Ready Player One? I mean, wouldn't that be wild? I even like how they're showing you some beginners driving tests on what the metaverse is looking like. So they're already showing you how you can get around in the metaverse, do all sorts of cool things. And so that's really exciting to see some of these updates as well. I know very soon they're going to start releasing land for sale, so people will start being able to purchase NFT land in the Wilder World. So who knows how much more value that can gain as this project continues to pick up steam. They even created their own sort of Discord median / hybrid type of content platform where they release some exciting updates, and I think just that in and of itself is extremely valuable for the project, because they're also creating their own medium to distribute and communicate all of their changes and connect with their community. So it's called Zine, Z-I-N-E. So if you go to zine.wilderworld.com, you'll be able to sign up for their new communications channel. Like I mentioned before, it's basically like a hybrid between Median and Discord. I really like it because it's a version of Discord that they're creating. So that's adding just that much more value to the project, in my opinion. So you can see all their exciting partnerships. I mean, there is a ton of VC capital backing this project. I think VCs see the huge potential not only in the crypto metaverse, but on what specifically Wilder World is bringing to the table. And in my opinion, they're bringing one of the most aesthetically pleasing, coolest, most hip, if you will, NFTs to cryptocurrency that I think is just going to attract so much more attention in the coming future, because this constant feedback helps us all get better when we're investing in cryptocurrency, but it also allows me to communicate research more effectively because I find it so exciting, and I love just sharing all of this information with people because I think projects like this are really going to change the world. They're going to change the way we immerse ourselves and experience reality as it is now. The crypto metaverse really allows people to go inwards, and in my opinion, the crypto metaverse just has unlimited potential because of everything you can create and all the places you can go and all the people you can see without ever having to leave the comfort of your home. Now, if you want to check out all of the beautiful NFTs that Wilder World is already creating, I encourage you to visit OpenSea and just type in Wilder World in the search box. and you'll be able to browse all the different NFTs that they have for sale already. So I think this is really great for all you NFT investors, because who knows, these might be really valuable in the future. So I really like their selection of NFTs. I mean, they have a huge focus on cars. I think that was brilliant. That was incredibly smart, because basically, who doesn't love fast cars? They're sexy, they're awesome. So I really like how they tackled NFTs by tackling basically the zeitgeist of what's cool in society. So you got nice cars, you got some nice shoes. I know some of this might be superficial, but hey, these are the things that sell. So that's why I think they made these really cool NFTs. So if you check these out, I really think they have some good selection here. So it really makes sense for NFT investors who are looking to get into Wilder World. This is a great place to start until they begin releasing land for sale and until they actually release NFT as an immersive experience for its users. So check out OpenSea for Wilder World NFTs. I promise you'll find some pretty sick gear there. Now tell me folks that wasn't wild. Now I know that was a little cliche, but the Wilder project is doing some amazing things in the crypto metaverse space. I mean, they have some huge backings, and they've also partnered with some top influencers in my opinion. And I think they're just nailing the aesthetic part of this entire thing. Well, there you have it folks. One of the top projects in the crypto metaverse right now that I think is extremely hot. I'm very bullish on this project. They have some great backers, and I also love how they're tackling the aesthetic part of this. They're making the metaverse beautiful in my opinion. So I'm really excited about the Wild project. I would really love to hear what you think about Wilder in the comments below. So share your thoughts and comments. I would truly appreciate that. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on tomorrow's video.